Fuel your passion with Raji. So let's do some vegetable gardening today. Let us think about how to start a vegetable garden after this winter is over and slowly picking up. Today, February 20th. Okay, so this is the situation of my last year's vegetable garden. How I did it, right? So we use some, you can see the blocks, and all this wood came from our fence. So we removed some fence and we are doing some repair work, and also all these woods are from the fence we are using. That's why they look ugly. It's not professional, but it's okay for the time being. So let me start with some old vegetables I already have. So these are beetroots. So we can cut the leaves and let the beets grow, or you can just pick up the, like you can just see this didn't come out really well, so you can see that it's not that of a great deal. So I'm going to use it tonight. Then all these are like treasure boxes for me. I love these boxes. So I put all my vegetable scraps and all under, like I dig it and put it there. Okay, and here you can see a little bit lettuce from the last year and all. So I'm going to use those and all. This and all directly we can pick and eat the leaves. Okay. Here I have some carrots. So slowly it is going. I really want to dig these carrots. So it's, yeah, I don't want to break it. When you dig it, you will get like some carrots somewhere. I really don't know what is this. This is beets, or it may be radish. But it looks, I don't know, like I think it's radish. So because if I take this, beetroot, right? Yeah, this is beetroot. See, look at this. I'm going to harvest all this, clean up all this, and that's pretty much it. Then I have an old guy here. Long back I have this, what is it called, what is it, Swishards or something like that. Yeah, okay. So this one also I can cut and use, but it looks little bit, the taste little bit sour and all. Anyway, you know what it is. Oh my god, look at my guy here. This is the very sweet, really cool, this is the plum. So let's see, let's hope. If the bad wind comes, that's it, we lost it. So yeah, okay, so that's pretty much it. So here you can see like some unfinished things, so we need to buy some soil for these ones. This is actually last year it produced lots of vegetables from my kitchen scrap. So you can still see like some seeds are staying there. So sometimes, what happens when we start watering it, it will slowly start growing. So you can see the onions are growing from that. So that is another thing. That is pretty much it. So last year some chilies are there. So we need to do lots of things with these things. Anyway, so this is just the initial day. So I am going to do something. You can see small, all like settled with the water and all. We don't need to water it. That's my hubby's thing. You can nicely see that he's putting all these things. Anyway, this is pretty much the beginning of it. Oh my god, this what is it called, the curry leaves, they didn't die, so they are just standing like this. Hopefully it will come back, or I need to prune it or something. Then I have a moringa here. I'm hoping like it will come back too. So hoping. So that is the situation right now. Let's see, and then I will put in another video after 1 month, how the changes are happening. So March 20th I'll put the next video on this vegetable garden. Okay, see you, bye.